welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin and CRO Coin, as well as give a little overview on the overall crypto market and where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, we are at 9,200 subscribers, getting so close to 10,000. At 10,000 subscribers, giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are just barely below 27,000 on Bitcoin, and we're just consolidating. Bitcoin dominance is a little bit lower than I would like to see it right now. However, I think that the altcoins are going to probably bleed out a little bit against Bitcoin in the short term, giving us an increase in the Bitcoin dominance level. You know, guys, I will say that the longer we trade sideways, the higher likelihood that I think we're going to have a little minimal amount of a capitulation event. But let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and I'll explain my thesis on that. Because I will say, when I zoom out, I'm starting to get this feeling and starting to see some similarities to back here. Sure, this is not necessarily where I think we are right now. And you may say Blacksea, but that happened before we got to new lows. I don't necessarily think we're going to have new lows. However, I do think that we're starting to have some serious range-bound trading. And you know what I always see when I see tight range-bound trading, guys, is at some point when the volume dries up, it's either a wham to the downside or a wham to the upside. And I will say that the crypto space is getting a little bit quiet right now, especially after the desperation of all the meme coin madness and mania that's been happening in the market. And to me, from being in the crypto space since back in 2015, I really do believe that there's lots of similarities to potential move to the downside here to maybe about 21,000. I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but that's just my opinion, and based on the overall market sentiment and the hive mind consciousness of what's going on in the crypto space, I think that there is a little bit of a likelihood of that, especially as we are getting these daily candle closes below the 28,200, and quite frankly, we're getting weekly candle closes below it. I do feel a little bit bearish, especially if this is range bound like this for, say, a couple months. There's going to have to be probably some time capitulation unless there's some sort of event that brings massive liquidity to the crypto space, which there could be. There definitely could be. Now, what that event may be, I don't know. But I do think that there could be an event that brings liquidity into the market. But as of right now, I am leaning towards some time capitulation down to $21,600 Bitcoin. But first things first, we do need to break and touch 25,500, which is a very key support level. So before I start calling 21,000, I'm going to say first let's get to 25,000 and see if we have more bearish sentiment. But guys, I do want to talk about CRO Coin, because what does it mean if Bitcoin comes down that far? To be frank, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 5.5 cents. Do I think we're going to come below 5.5 cents? Probably not. Probably not. However, if we get some large capitulation, maybe we'll get a wick below it, break the previous low and come back up. But you know, I've been talking about it. You know, in the thumbnail I have CRO Coin versus Bitcoin. And there's a reason I have that, because really it comes down to right now, we're in an accumulation zone in Bitcoin. We're in an accumulation zone in CRO Coin. We're really in an accumulation zone for just about 90% of all cryptocurrency assets. And it really comes down to, where will the best place for your money be right now in the short term? And to be frank, I'll say it, it's Bitcoin, in my opinion. Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think that CRO Coin could bleed out another 30 to 40% versus Bitcoin. I will say that. However, I do think that if you are not satisfied with your positions in CRO Coin or your other favorite altcoins, especially on CRO Coin, this accumulation zone, this channel that we're in, 5.5 cents to 10 cents, is a great accumulation zone. Especially as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, which is about 11 months away, give or take a month or two. But, you know, it's important that we pay attention to where is the best place for your money, and is that does that work with your strategy? Quite frankly, with me, I already have enough CRO. I'm accumulating right now anything below 0.0689 cents. I take my staking rewards and I just put it back into CRO. If we get anything lower than 5 cents, I'll probably purchase more CRO. But as of right now, I do think that Bitcoin is kind of the answer. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 because we did have a large green weekly candle on the S&P 500. I mean, look at these bullish green candles on the daily for the S&P 500. That's very bullish. Stocks are moving up, guys. Traditional market is moving up. Very curious to see how that plays out. People are talking about double tops, and a double top is usually something like this, and then you capitulate down. But we'll have to see. If we get daily candle closes above $4,200 on the S&P 500, I'm bullish. Next target is going to be the previous peak of 4,300, and then we'll just have to go peak to peak, and that'll be our next levels. But I do think that as the S&P 500 moves up and people feel a little bit safer about deploying capital, you're going to start seeing some risk-on assets absorb some of that liquid. So keep that in mind, guys. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It helps us out so much. We're doing lots of giveaways that $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Can't wait to give that away. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. Also, go below this video. Please check out all in the description. We have a ton of referral links that have awesome deals. $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet, $4,500 sign-up bonus with Femex, $600 sign-up bonus with Binance, as well as you can become a member on the channel. All you got to do is click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. You get these awesome custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use on our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a member at winning this loaded lion NFT that we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers, guys. Guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.